Is it right time to go to Germany? How is the German job market in 2020? Some of you might be thinking that there is slowdown ongoing and there are signs of recession in Germany. Definitely, I completely agree with that, and that's why I'm going to present some more facts in front of you how German economy, how Austrian economy is moving back, finding job in Germany from India versus job seeker visa Germany or job seeker visa Austria. In today's video, I'm going to address these questions so that you guys can decide whether you want to come to Germany in 2020 or you want to postpone your plan to move to Germany until 2021. Hi guys, this is Sandeep Khera and you are watching Conical Education. Before we proceed further, let me remind you to subscribe below and enable the bell notifications to not miss any updates on this channel. You can also follow me on my social media pages. Links to all of them are given in the description below. Let's dive into today's video. First of all, let me give you the good news that VFS has already started opening up in India. For example, in Mumbai, in Bangalore and in Delhi, it's opening up, and in the first phase, they have started the stamping of D visa, national visa for the people who already had the approved visa, stamped visa on their passport until March 2020. As per the circular from German embassy, initially, they are going to stamp the visas for those people whose visas are going to expire very soon or they are already expired after March 2020. And this stamping period where you can book the appointment to go for the stamping is until August 13th. So this is the last date. Until that date, you can get the appointment and go directly to the embassy or VFS and submit your passport for the stamping. After August 13th, embassy will start accepting the applications for other visa types. In today's video, I will also speak about how German economy has started returning slowly as per the IFO Business Climate Index from IFO Business Institute. Let us move on to the main topic of today's video. As you guys might be considering to move to Germany in 2020 or move to Austria in 2020, so there are two options if you are coming as a working professional, either job seeker visa Germany, job seeker visa Austria, or you can look for the job in Germany from your home country, from India, from non-EU country. Or you can look for the job in Austria from your home country, from non-EU country. As we have already discussed about the appointments that VFS and embassy are slowly opening up the appointments. But still, they haven't mentioned anything about job seeker visa appointments. Which means you still don't know when the appointments will be available. That's the one point. And second point is that if I talk about Germany, job seeker visa appointments are very rarely available due to lot of applicants try to book the appointment and there are not so many slots available, which will still be the biggest challenge even after embassy decides to open up the appointments after August. Another biggest challenge I hear from lot of people who want to apply for job seeker visa for Germany or job seeker visa Austria is that they have to hold a big amount of money in their bank account in their home country. And in case of Germany, they also have to open up German block account to justify their survival, to justify that they can bear their living expenses when they move to Germany. For Austria, it is still okay. They have to show all of the money in their bank account in their home country, in India or in other non-EU countries. Definitely, these are the biggest challenges for the people who want to move to Germany or who want to move to Austria on job seeker visa. And because of these reasons, sometimes they have to cancel their plans to move to Europe, to move to Germany or to move to Austria. Second attractive option people are left with is that they can find work from India or their home country in the German job market in 2020 or in Austrian job market. In case you find a job for yourself, you get the job offer, you don't have to stuck into the appointment system to book the appointment to come to Germany or to book the appointment with Austrian embassy to come to Austria. If you already have a job offer, you can directly go to Mumbai VFS or Delhi VFS with your job offer and apply for employment visa from India itself, from your home country itself. Another biggest benefit of finding the work from your home country itself is that you don't have to open up block account, you don't have to show a whole big lot of money in your bank account to justify your survival. So on that front also, you can manage your finances very easily. Now, as we have talked about both the options, so finding work in Germany seems more viable options when we compare both of them. Some of you might be thinking that there is slowdown ongoing and there are signs of recession in Germany. Definitely, I completely agree with that, and that's why I'm going to present some more facts in front of you how German economy, how Austrian economy is moving back. So after hearing these key points, you can still plan which option you want to take, how you want to move to Germany, how you want to move to Austria. At this point of time, you can definitely start to look for the job in Germany and Austria. Job markets are opening up slowly, so definitely you can work on your skills in the meantime, whether it's technical, non-technical or other job related skills, which will really going to help in your job search when you are applying for the jobs in Germany or you are applying for the jobs in Austria from your home country. When I talk about service sector, e-commerce sector, IT, retail, payments, they are definitely coming back with the support of government to these employers, and new jobs are being created in the job market. And if I talk about the health sector, it was not even impacted due to all of this situation because people were required to support in this crisis time. During this whole situation that has happened, people continued to working from home and they're connected to one another through various online video calling platforms, which is again another opportunity of digitization for a lot of companies, and companies are working hard to make the world more digital and cope up with this existing situation. So this level of digitization is definitely going to bring a lot of more opportunities for all of us. So just keep on applying for the jobs, make best use of your time, learn new skills, and by the time you find the job, you can book your appointment to plan your move or to move to Germany or to move to Austria. Some of the employers are really keen to hire people, so it is also possible that you might get the job offer and you can start working for those employers remotely from your home country, and later on when embassies are opened up, you can book the appointment and you can come to Germany or you come to Austria to work physically in your offices. Public spaces are definitely open and public transports are also running, but definitely there are certain restrictions you have to abide with. As all of us know that it's not going to be like this forever. There has to be an end to this. So wait for that time. So move to your dream country at the right time. Next, I want to speak about June release of IFO Business Climate Index. Here you can see the comparison of April, May and June, how economy went down and how it is coming back slowly over the period of time. But definitely it is coming back. It is onto its path to come back. According to the report from IFO Business Climate Index in June, sectors such as manufacturing, service, trade and construction, all of them are turning back immensely and they are showing positive growth in the economy. If it continues like this, by the end of 2020, economy will grow immensely, and by the end of 2021, economy will be at the point where it was by the end of 2019. If you consider these points, there will be a lot of opportunities for you to work in Germany. So at this point, based on my personal opinion as well as the facts that I have presented, you can continue to search the job in Germany as well as in Austria, work on your skills. Definitely with time and patience, you will find the job offer for yourself to migrate to Germany, to migrate to Austria. This is all I have in today's video. You can give a thumbs up below, subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. Have a good day.